Healing baths for beauty and relaxation. Health and beauty from water. Herbal baths have healing properties and promote beauty. Healing baths have been known since ancient times. Baths were once a meeting place and the center of social life. Baths can also be beneficial for your beauty and relieve stress. Take advantage of the rejuvenating power of therapeutic baths. How to do it? Find out in this post. Healing baths for health, relaxation and beauty. Milk and honey bath. Want to feel like Cleopatra? Add at least 1 liter of full-fat milk and at least 10 tablespoons of honey to the water. This bath will moisturize, nourish and soften your skin. Bath with oat flakes. Oatmeal contains a lot of silicon and other compounds that keep your skin looking young for longer. Brew half a kilo or more of oatmeal, strain it and pour the resulting infusion into the bathtub. Bath oils. Remember to only pour natural oils into the bathtub that you are not allergic to. Bath with rose oil. Rose oil rejuvenates the skin, moisturizes it and in addition, improves mood and has an antidepressant effect. Just pour 15 drops into the bath. Bath with grapefruit oil. Grapefruit oil detoxifies the body and helps fight cellulite. Bath with pine oil. Pine oil clears the airways and has a beneficial effect on the skin. Bath with lavender oil. Tough day at work? Stress? Insomnia? Or perhaps you have serious skin problems such as severe inflammation, rashes or eczema. Take a lavender oil bath. If you are not allergic to lavender, pour 15 drops of lavender oil into the bathtub and take a healing, relaxing bath while inhaling the soothing aromas. Bath with tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps with various skin infections, including acute inflammation, as well as other ailments. It also helps keep the skin looking young for longer. Bath with oil or olive oil. If you have dry skin, you will benefit from a bath with oil, for example sunflower, linseed, peanut, hemp or avocado oil or olive oil. Half a cup of oil is enough to make your skin soft, moisturized, younger looking for longer and not in need of any moisturizer. Mineral bath. Pour 5 liters of sparkling, highly mineralized water directly before getting into the bath and enjoy the pleasantly tingling bubbles and rejuvenating and healing minerals. Remember that after pouring in so much cold water, the water in the bath will cool down considerably, so have some hot water ready. Healing herbal baths. Baths with decoctions of oak bark, arnica, thyme, rosemary or mint prevent excessive sweating, help to close the pores of the skin and refresh it. A bath with marigold flower infusion regenerates the skin, chamomile soothes, and sage relieves inflammation. To prepare a herbal bath, simply pour a liter of water over 50 grams of dried herbs or flowers, cover and leave to brew for a quarter of an hour, then strain and pour into the bath. For bark, roots and rhizomes, simmer gently for a few minutes. As you can see, baths not only bring cleanliness, but can also add health and beauty. If you liked this video, subscribe, like, share and comment. Have a nice day. Live smart and live young.